for some languages today. This is Joy's Happy Hobbies, and yep, you guessed it, I'm Joy. I'm going to do an unboxing today from Day's Dream. So come along and join and watch it unfold. All right.
Hey daydreamers, and all you YouTube people out there, I have a really neat unboxing today. It's from Day's Dream, and it is a licensed painting, and it's called Madame Butterfly. It's 50 by 70 round. And this is something that's new on her site and on Debbie's site, her store. I just had to have it. It's just very striking. And it's the most expensive on her store, but I think it's worth it. Now I have the camera set up a different way today because it is a long painting and I wanted to get the whole picture in there. Now, this is a cotton back. As you can see how pretty it is. It's cotton. And this is a different type of backing. It's not the lint. So it's supposed to even be better. All right, there we go. Out of the package. Let me see if I can bring this camera out a little bit and you can see the whole thing. Maybe you can get better. Okay, it is, here we go. Ooh, it's nice and soft. Nice and soft. Yeah, if you look at it, it is different than the lint. It looks like a piece of cotton. Yeah, pretty neat. It's in the feel of the canvas. Oh my gosh. So let's roll this out. I hope I have it. Now it's probably supposed to go this way. Here we go. Are you ready? Let's see here. Look at that. Oh, look how pretty that is. I don't think I'm going to have enough room even with, let's see. Maybe I can, there, move my camera up a little more. Look at that. And here's the drills. Oh, look how nice the drills are packed. They're all in baggies. There's how many colors on here? Well, here's the, this is the picture. You see the picture? That's the picture of her. And there are 35 drills. I don't think it has any ABs on it. ABs are under 150, and this starts at 150, as you can see there. All right, so it gives the DMC codes and how many drill pieces there are, drills, and how many bags of each drill, right there. And we've got a standard toolkit, wax, boat, and a stylus, down penny pen. Okay. So let's see if we can get this out further. I'm going to take this and roll it backwards. See if we can get it. Oh, it's so soft, you guys. So soft. Oh my gosh, I've not felt painting like this. I'm not rolling very good. Let's see if I can get this rolled better. Let's do it this way. And I like because it was rolled inside out, or rolled outside, inside out. That's right, inside out. Okay, let's see if I can. All right. Now, yes, 50. Take a look at this beautiful painting for a bit. This is Madame Butterfly, and there is a story behind this Madame Butterfly, and I'll read you. I think it still is an opera in New York on Broadway. I'll read you a little bit about the story, how she came about. The opera started in February of 1907, so that was right around, I don't know, the turn of the century. It's Madame Butterfly is a young Japanese geisha who clings to the belief that her arrangement with a visiting American naval officer is a loving and permanent marriage. It is one of the defining roles in opera. The story triggers ideas about cultural and sexual imperialism for people far removed from the opera house. So back in those days, yeah, during the time of geishas, yeah, you didn't get involved with American men, but of course she fell in love with a soldier. So that is the story of Madame Butterfly, and that's why I wanted to buy it. I was familiar with her. Just take a look at her. She's just beautiful, isn't she? And the colors. We'll go through the drills in a minute. I just wanted to point out some things. I like to bling up paintings. So down here, I think I might do some bling. Okay. And up here, it looks like it's 3865s. I already looked at my sheet, and I think I'm going to put 3865 ABs around her hat. I think that would look beautiful, don't you? That would really shine it up. And her butterfly, look at the little butterfly in her hat. Oh my goodness. I think I'm going to highlight that too. And even her mask, she's got a butterfly mask on. I think I'm going to highlight that with some sparkle and maybe put some sparkle in her lips. I'm not sure about that yet, but I will do some sparkle around her wings here. And I think some of these dark areas on her dress, I might put some ABs or red sparklers. I'm not sure. You'll have to follow along with me as I do this. And then look at the detail in here. There's steps that she's coming down off. This is on the stage, and it's just a lovely picture. There's a lot of confetti, but there are some areas here of color blocking. I see the same symbol in here, and there is also some 310s in here. 310s, 310s. Not too bad. We'll show the drills, like I said, in a second. So I just wanted to give you that synopsis for who she is and what she's about. So we will continue on. And I hate to open these drills. The package is just so nice and tight. The packaging is so nice and tight. But we'll take some of these out to see what they look like. I hate to mess the bag up, mess all the drills up. Of course, I'll be taking them out anyway when I do it. Let's see if we can. Nice bag. Okay. Well, here, I hate to do this, but here I go. Here I go. I'm going to spread these out a little bit so you can see some of those beautiful colors. See if I want to get this in a little closer. Get this out so you can see yeah, I'll have a hard time putting these back in, but that's okay. That was a nice packed bag of drills. All right, so if I take the painting off, let me take the painting out and we'll look at the drills. Okay, look at the drills. All right, I'll put the painting over there. Okay, let's get some of these. Okay, so this is 154. This is a big package. Look at, and the bags are really nice. The bags are really nice. Look at that. 154s. Look at that. I love the bag. These are nice baggies. They're not flimsy at all. Here's some 814s. Pretty colors. Look at this color. 915. Let me see. 915. There's kind of a brownish color. So, yeah, 777. Let's see if there's are there any 310s in here? Let me look at my, what do I do with my packing slip? Oh, I lost my packing slip. And I put it back in here. Oh, it's on the floor. Hold on, guys. Get on the floor here. This is an impromptu unboxing, I'll tell you, because I just got this in the mail. Let's see, are there any 310s? Yep, there's 310s. There's 3,483. It's one big bag. Now it's number D, 310. Number D. So where are my 310s? 154. 310s. I don't see any 310s. I'm wondering if, no, these are brown. Oh, here they are. Here's a 310s. That's not too bad. Not too bad of 310s, huh? Big enough bag. So there's not like tons and tons of 310s in there in the picture. There's a lot of burgundies, browns, and some golds, some reds. Yeah, it's going to be pretty. These colors are just gorgeous. Look at the corals in there. See? Okay, so we got an idea of what the drills are going to look like. And you saw the colors that are going to be in here. The drills look perfect. They don't look like they're going to have much trash in them at all, but, you know, we'll see once I start doing this. I wanted to give you a little look of the drill field to show you how clear it was. Look at that. I'm not going to have any problem on seeing these symbols or letters. Look at that. And I just want to tell you that I just am in love with this painting. I'm so glad that Debbie got this on her site. It struck me as soon as I looked at it. A lot of detail in it. There's going to be a lot of detail. So anyway, that's the painting, Madam Butterfly. I am glad you joined me. If you are new to my channel, don't forget the subscribe button is down here. I can reach it with my the subscribe button is right there. And there's also a little bell that you can click on that gives you notification of YouTube's when I put them out. And don't forget to like. Don't forget. That's important. And make some comments. I mean, if you see some other things in here that you would highlight or put ABs in or sparkles or whatever, you know, give me a comment down there because, you know, it's hard to tell right now. It's usually after I get started working on a painting that I go, oh, I should put some ABs in here. Maybe I will put some 310 ABs in here. Oh, God, that would be beautiful, wouldn't it? How they would sparkle up in her dress right here. So anyway, I'm going to close out, and I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you the next time around. Bye.